What we're using to install our table legs are called mounting blocks, and these are just basically blocks of wood that have a threaded insert in the middle. This particular one is our part number 918, which is a 4" by 4" block, but we also have these available in other sizes depending on what you need as well. Now, the way that these blocks are set up is you have 4 screw holes in the corner and then your threaded insert in the middle. The threaded insert is where you're going to install your table legs at, and the 4 screw holes are going to be what you use to install the block to the underside of your tabletop. Now, the blocks are also going to come with all of the screws that you're going to need to install these. These particular screws are 1 1/4 inches long. You may need to change to different screws depending on the thickness of your tabletop. So make sure that you take a look at the screws compared to your block, compared to your top, to make sure that you don't accidentally have a screw pop through your top as you're installing these. All right, so now that we have our inserts in, it's just as simple as lining them up with the threaded insert and installing. Now, if you notice while I'm doing this, there is some wobble and it looks like the leg may not be perfectly aligned when it's installed. That's okay. Just keep tightening it on and the bolt will straighten out in the leg will straighten out on the plate, and everything will end up lined up perfectly. There we go.